Hi guys, it's Alexis here, and I don't think I've ever been this excited to film any YouTube video ever. I'm very excited. I was not planning on filming this video today. I thought that this was gonna come tomorrow, but I got a lovely surprise this morning. I know you guys have already read the title, but today I am going to be unboxing the Supreme Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box. If you guys don't already know, I did the Valentine's Day Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing on my channel, and it got a decent amount of views. It's probably my most viewed video ever on my channel. It was awesome, and that was probably one of the coolest things ever. And I'm almost positive in that video I said I wanted a Halloween mystery box. So Jeffree answered my prayers. Thank you, Jeffree. Halloween is my favorite holiday. I don't know if you can tell that I'm going for a Halloween theme today. I wanted to do something different. I'm literally with my Jeffree Star straw. Anyways, Halloween's my favorite holiday ever. I love Halloween so much. If I could live in October, I would. So I knew that although this was like $170 total, I had to get it. So here we are. This thing is, it weighs a decent amount. Let me say that. I have no clue what's in here. I do know that there's supposed to be another mirror. This is like my favorite Jeffree Star product that I've ever purchased. I love this thing. I use it all the time. I feel so cool with this thing. And the fact that he made Halloween colors is unreal. And I wanted the orange and black one, but he never posted anything about it. So I was like, is he gonna release that? And then he posted the thing about it being in the mystery boxes. So I am so excited about that. But other than that, I have no clue what's in here. I don't know if it's just gonna be makeup. I don't know if there's gonna be some clothing items, some accessories. I really have no idea. So I am very excited, and I hope you guys are too. I'm gonna get right into it because I know that's why you're here. I haven't even like cut into it yet, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I'm so nervous because, okay, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna, oh, I cannot balance this on one hand. So I do this. Okay, ready? Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. Jeffree Star fans know what that is. Okay, hold up. I'm so confused. I don't know why he would ever put this in there. Oh my god, it's literally... I just saw everything else in there. Oh my god. Okay. So if you're not a Jeffree Star fan, you probably don't know what this is. This is one of his tracksuits. I didn't really ever want one until I started watching his Shane and the Shane and Jeffree series, and then I instantly wanted one because they all were wearing them. This is so cool, and this type of like green yellow has been one of my favorite colors lately, and I never say that about neons, but this has been like one of my favorite colors lately. Should I put that on now? I kind of want to put it on now. I'm gonna put it on now. I feel so cool. I'm not gonna zip it up all the way because I still want to show off my cute shirt. The pants are a little big, but I'm like an extremely small waist. I got a size small. I am so glad that these pants have pockets because I love joggers, and I've been needing some new pairs, and these are just so cute. Like I said, they are a little big. They do tighten a little bit, but they still are a little big. But I have an extremely small waist, and also they are a little baggy, but not too bad for how short I am. I'm 5'2". This is like Christmas. Like, I don't need a Christmas anymore. My dad's gonna literally poop because him and I watched the Shane series together, and he was like, those tracksuits are so funny. Okay, this is what the box looks like now. Shadow. I don't even know what to get into first. I'm just gonna grab something random. You're joking. Are you kidding? I literally am using his gray ones right now. My dad got the black ones because he uses a metal water bottle or plastic one or whatever, and he wanted straws, and so he got the black ones. Are you kidding? And it came with the cleaner. I already have one, but that's... Are you serious? I would have never guessed that he would have made these. Oh, I'm not gonna put it in my drink right now because I want to wash it, but that's kind of looks cool. Okay. I'm gonna grab something else. Ooh, it's just a lip liner. I got a lip liner in my last one. This says that it is a lip liner in Scorpio. So this looks like it's almost like a dark purple. I'm trying to get it out. I'm sorry. This is what the lip liners look like. They are so cute. they remind me of wands. My hair looks so ratty. I just brushed my. It is so cute. And I will swatch some stuff for you. It kind of, not really, but kind of matches my lipstick today. But that is Scorpio, the lip liner. It's really pretty. I love these lip liners because they're literally the creamiest thing in the world. Super excited for that. I'm gonna put that over here. Okay. I'm gonna dig in. Oh my god, okay. I have always wanted one of Jeffree's lip scrubs, and I've never purchased one. I don't know why. I think because every time I was going to, my shopping cart was just so full I couldn't afford it. I got a Lush lip scrub so many years ago, and it's gone now, but I don't know. I'm just so excited. I loved my Lush one. I'm gonna open it from the bottom because I don't want to ruin these. It says that this is cucumber mint lip scrub. Oh my gosh, and it's so much bigger than okay. Ugh, I literally love this green. If you would have asked me when this came out, if I would have wanted the green, I would have said no because I didn't like green. But now, like with all of the girls with the green hair and stuff, I'm obsessed. Oh, I really like how that's not super intense because I'm not someone, I get headaches from crazy intense smells. I'm gonna taste it. I love that. I love that so much. Okay. Next thing. Lipstick. I love lipstick, okay? His lipsticks are amazing. Yes! Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, another thing. Sorry my chair's so squeaky. I don't know why it does that. Another thing is I was hoping that the lip shades and stuff that he put in here were kind of Halloween based. I literally wanted this color so bad. It's green. What did I say? Green's like my favorite color right now. And I wanted a green lipstick so bad because it's so funky. Like, where else are you gonna get a green lipstick? Jeffree just, oh my god. Look at that. Are you kidding? I'm so excited to wear this. I wanted a green lip today because I have green on my eyes, but I don't have one. Now I have one. Is that something? Yes. Ooh! I actually have, I have a little bit of a skin frost, the lavender one. The lavender snow, I think. I have a little bit of that on today, and I have a little bit of my peach Supreme Frost. This is a Supreme Frost, and this is in Caramel Kiss. That is so pretty. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Oh my god, okay. Do you see it hitting my light? I am not a very dark skin tone. Like, I am very fair. So I don't know if I could ever actually wear this as a highlight, but this would look so good. One, on a lot of the people that I do makeup on, they have like, I have some girls with the prettiest golden glow. And also for my eyes, I could do some really pretty, oh my gosh. I was really nervous for this mystery box only because I've never spent this much on a mystery box. I think my last one was like $75. And so I was really nervous to spend this much. Look at my hand. I was really nervous to spend this much because I didn't know what would be in here. Okay. Ooh, another lipstick. This is in the shade Yummy. Oh my gosh. And it's, do you see that? This is one of those lipsticks that applies really light and shiny. I think this would look so cool over like a lighter nude. There it is. I'm trying to get in the light more. That is so pretty. I love putting glosses. You can see this is a matte lipstick, but I put a gloss. I love glosses and shiny things. Definitely gonna be putting this over some of my matte lipsticks. I'm trying to figure out, usually I know what this is when I pick it out. I think I know what this is. Okay. Oh. I literally used Big Daddy for my eyes today. Now I have the baby one. Oh, wait, it's the wrong way. Oh my gosh. I can't remember if this palette has, like, what colors this palette has. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm honestly so glad that I have an extra bubble gum because this is my favorite eyeshadow I've ever seen in my entire life, and I use it way too much. In this little palette, it looks like this. Beautiful. Okay, so I just took a second to swatch all of these little colors for you so we can get an idea. Okay, so this is the palette. You have Double Scoop right here, Orange Crush, which has a little bit of sparkle in it, but you can't really see right now. And then this is Foreplay. Oral, which is this beautiful shimmery, I don't know if that's a metallic, but it's really shimmery. It's got like blue shimmers in it. Purple Punch is over here. I hope that's a good purple because I've never seen, like, really used a good purple. And then Slice is right there, which is this golden shimmer. It's so creamy, oh my gosh. Bubblegum, which is also in the Big Jawbreaker. Bite Me, and Hot Fudge. I think it's another lipstick. Oh my gosh, is this the, This is the limited edition Halloween lipstick in Zombie Kiss, which is a dark purple. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Oh my god, and it's shiny. You're kidding. Okay. Oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite one so far. That is Zombie Kiss. Do you see that shine? I'm so sorry, my hands are, they're not dirty, they just have eyeshadow and crap all over them. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm pretty sure we only have like 2 items left. I don't know what this is, but it's really big. Okay. This is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics mini lipstick set. And this is, I'm pretty sure, the Valentine's Day one. It says, love me not. Ready for this? Are you ready for this? Oh my god. This reaction that I literally look like a kid in Toys R Us. Just wait. Oh my gosh, yes. I've been wanting this lipstick because this is the, I would take these out and swatch them, but there's so many that I don't think I'm going to do that, so I'm just going to show this really quick. I've been wanting this one because I have the lip liner in this. This is Unicorn Blood. This one is Red Rum Prom Night, which is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I literally love pink so much. Anna Nicole Watermelon Soda, which is so pretty. Wifey, Calabasas, and Doll Parts, which is also so pretty. And this is so cool because I would never buy this for myself. I'd be like, no, like, I don't have the money, like, it's fine, I'll just cry about not having it later. No, but I would never buy this for myself. But the fact that I got this box and now I have it, like, I'm gonna use this so much. I love lipstick. The only thing left is the, Are you kidding? Oh. It's a vinyl. This is a Jeffree Star Prom Night Remix vinyl. I don't have a record player, and I've been debating on whether or not I should get one because I have so many records from when I had a record player. I think my grandma had a record player when I lived with her, and I used it all the time, but I never got myself one. Should I get one now? Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love the colors. Oh my gosh. That's okay. I'm so happy. Okay. Now I think we're on to the last thing, which is what we've all been waiting for. Oh, do you see? Hold on. There's my first mystery box, and there's my mirror case, or the mirror box that came in. This stuff gets displayed in my room. Oh my gosh. Okay. Are you ready? We're gonna open it together. Oh my god. I'm literally so... This is so pretty. I wanted this orange one with the black so bad. Oh my gosh, this is literally so pretty. Are you kidding? This is amazing. I am so overwhelmed right now, and I literally cannot wait to show everyone what I got. That is everything in my mystery box. Final thought. Throughout this video, I put the price of everything, and I'm going to add it all up right here. I am so beyond happy. I am so more than satisfied with what I got, especially like things like this. I thought that we were just gonna get the t-shirt, which I wasn't mad about because I have the Valentine's Day one, and I was like, okay, yeah, like I'll just keep collecting those. But this is unreal. Like things like this, the lip thing, the vinyl, like what? Who would have thought that's in there? The straw. I think that this is Jeffree's best box by far because I've watched videos on every single one, even though I've only received the Valentine's Day one. I think this is the best one by far. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you got a mystery box, what you got, what size, your thoughts. If you didn't get one, what's your favorite thing that I received? Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!